we're looking at question 1 from the practice exam, and it says a kite is comprised of two congruent triangles. So congruent means that they're both the same. Okay, so both of these triangles are exactly the same. It's just that one's being flipped. And the kite is 12 centimeters high, and one of its side is 8 centimeters. And then the angle is 30 degrees. And we're asked to find the area of the shape. Now I've copied in the formula for the area of a triangle, and we just need to determine which variables we are given and what we're going to substitute in for B, C, and capital A. So if we look at our triangle over here, we know that a capital letter denotes an angle, and the side length that is opposite that letter has the same letter. So this is a capital A, and then we have a lowercase a. So we've been given a capital A, a B, a lowercase b, and a lowercase c. So they're the side lengths. So we have capital A, and then the two side lengths that sort of flank that angle. Okay, the two side lengths that actually join up to make the angle. So in our question, that would be our 12 centimeters and our 8 centimeters. They join up to make our 30 degrees. So let's label some of these sides so we know what's what. So we know that this is angle A, and our 12 and our 8, it doesn't actually matter which one's which. We're just going to label them B and C. Okay, at the end of the day, we're just multiplying them together, so it doesn't matter which order they're in. So we can substitute into our formula. So the area is equal to half times B times C times sine of A. Okay, so that'll be your first step when you're solving a question like this in the exam. Write down your formula, because it won't be given to you in the question like I've got it here. I've copied that from the formula sheet. And so the half just gets carried down, times by B, which is 12, times C, which is 8, times the sine of 30. That's our angle A. And then we grab our calculator. And just type it in as is. Half times 12 times 8 times sine 30 equals 24. And our units are going to be centimeters, but because we're talking about area, it's going to be centimeters squared. Now, what we've done is we've found the area of one of these triangles. We've been asked to find the area of the kite. So we need to multiply this area by 2. And that will be 48 centimeters squared. And that's our answer.